Hey everyone, if you're new to Microsoft Teams and feeling a little lost, don't worry, I've got your back. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the basics step by step. Let's dive in. First up, joining a meeting. You'll usually get an invite link in your email or calendar. Click the invite link. Your browser might ask to open Microsoft Teams. Click yes. Don't have the app? Join from your browser. You'll see a preview screen before joining. Toggle your camera on or off. Toggle your microphone on or off. Tip: I keep my mic off until I'm ready to talk. Ready? Hit the Join Now button. Now you're in the meeting. Look around the main controls at the bottom of the screen. Toggle camera or mic during the meeting using those icons. You'll see a line through them when they're off. Need to share your screen? Click the share icon, rectangle with an arrow. Share your whole screen. Share a specific window. Share a browser tab. Stop sharing when you're done. Want to chat during the meeting? Click the speech bubble to open chat, type messages, share links, send files. When it's time to leave, click the red Leave button. That's it. You're done. So, to recap, click the invite link. Check your camera and mic, join the meeting, use controls at the bottom, share your screen if needed, chat with others, leave when finished. That's all you need to get started with Microsoft Teams. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in your next meeting.